Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall FIFA game. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now in order to delete FIFA game, tap and hold on the app. Click on App Info option. And here you can see the uninstall option in the bottom section of your screen. Tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on OK button. The next way to delete this app is go to Settings. Scroll down your screen and go to Apps option. Tap on Manage Apps. Here search for FC Mobile. And here you can see the uninstall option. Tap on it. Then tap on OK button. Similarly, the final way to delete the app is go to Play Store application. Here in the search bar, type in FC Mobile. Now tap on the app. And here you can see the uninstall option. Tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on uninstall option once again. So that is how you can uninstall FIFA game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.